Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy. I hope you guys doing good, unlike me, because I am on the sufferation. But me, why boy, it's not easy at all. Yesterday I went to see my orthodont and they told me to wear elastic bands on each side of my jaw. Before I used to wear it on one side on my jaw, but right now two, and it's more twisty, new combination, next level of abuse. Here, so me feel so miserable, me not lie, me feel depressed, but I'm saying 2-3 days body will get used to it, so me just try to tough it out this 2-3 days. But it's not easy, guys. I feel like I have little temperature. I feel anxiety, I'm anxious, I don't know why I sweat. But I have to go through them 2-3 days. Yes, I just drink cold water. I can't even eat nothing because I can barely open my mouth. See? Yes, I feed, I have to take it out and then put it back. Double stress, so I just prefer to not eat. Just close my mouth and just leave just like that. Sad. So today had to be a family day, but because of everything, said to Errol, I can't join you guys. Errol and the boys, they gone to watch kiddies football match. Local schools play against one another, but Leo is not yet in the team. I'm more than sure, but I'm more than sure next year he will be representing film school. Dan is still small, but Leo next year, sure. Yeah, so yeah guys, if I mispronounce something, excuse me, I'm sorry, it's not easy. So tomorrow, I'm not sure when this video will be released, but tomorrow is 8th of May. Yeah, and it will be Mother's Day in Jamaica and also I think in America too. It's international, but not in Russia. In Russia, we celebrate Mother's Day in the end of November. But make sure una tell your mother Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, don't forget, and give a little present to warm her heart. Yeah, because it's very important to celebrate those little holidays. Yes, and next day, 9th of May, will be my husband Errol Stevens' birthday. He will be 36 years old. I'm 26 years old and he will be 36 years old. So straight 10 years difference between we. But so far I can say it's the best difference. Errol taught me a lot. Errol passed a lot of experience to me, so I never had to learn on my mistakes. So 10 years for me, the best difference in relationships. He's more patient with me. I don't think if I would date somebody and if I would marry somebody younger or same age with me, our marriage would not survive. Yes, because Errol has so much patience for me, and they're big up Errol for that. So 9th of May, people in Russia will be celebrating the victory of the Second World War. So I always trouble Errol, say like, you see Russian people, they must celebrate your birthday. Errol laugh. Yeah, so the big parade going to happen in Russia on 9th of May. Yeah, and Errol's birthday, we're going to Kingston, going somewhere fancy, and I'm ready, my outfit ready. Jabba, how does it look?
Nice. Love the color. Love the color.
I love it too.
Yeah.
It shapes so good, though.
Nice, yeah. It's lovely.
Bubble me a bubble.
Lovely.
Wow, I love it. No?
I don't tell you about house,
Yeah.
you need to have your color then.
But not really shakeable.
So we need a black one.
But it's formable.
Yeah, you need a black one.
I have the grey one.
Mm.
So you
You
can
need one of
invite
them
me
colour.
on date now. See,
Yeah,
I'm
you're
ready.
ready. Yeah.
I like
Okay.
how it just shapes
Come on.
you.
For
Wow.
birthday, Kingston, you go on a date.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, just make somebody feel yeah, keep. Make it still up.
Yeah. I also ordered something. the hula hoop. I never try that type of the hula hoop. First time I will try it. But people say it's good. Because I'm working on my sides. I don't want the fat to pile up on my sides. I want it to be slim. Small waist, pretty face. Here, so see this hula hoop, you see that's what you're gonna spin. So I'm gonna try. It's just like a belt, you just put it like a belt and you just do it.
Let's see it.
Hula 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 hoop. Alright, jump, you ready? Jump on your foot.
You want to show the closet? Okay.
No, that would be more smaller. It can't be on my hips. That would be on more on my waist. Look at this. Oh my god. It's on my body. Wait. Why not? Wait.
You will make it go. Move away from.
Yeah.
Take a piece, yeah.
My gift is ready. Yes, so listen guys, the next story. My gift just came to Jamaica because I ordered it from America, from Amazon. So the carriage company who ships goods from America, them charged Errol just now. Errol didn't call me, said them charged him double because the package passed $50. Once it passed $50, they have all the rights to double charge you. But the reason why I did it, before I used to do that, like 1-2 times my package was over $50, but it went through. This time it never worked out. So Harold did a call and say, Swaggy, them, they charge me double. John, no. Yes, but why I don't even feel good anymore. So
I buy shoes 2 times the money, but I buy me a gift yourself. But me appreciate it. My pocket burn up the pocket.
oh, thank you boys. Oh. Huh? Thank you, Leo. Thank you. Kissy. Yeah. I feel so much better today. This is so cute. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to me. Okay. Hey guys.
Dad?
Yeah.
Maybe fly up there.
I don't know where the
Suppose
I fly somewhere. I don't know where.
Yeah, pop champagne over here.
Never see it gone. Alright boy, we don't even have the fancy glass them. Errol took all our house wine glasses to the Airbnb because people break them with such a fast speed. Can't even keep a track on them. So we used to have enough, but people just break them and break continuously. So we just took all of them. We don't have no wine glasses, so I'm gonna drink it from. Bye. In here. From the normal cup, not a wine glass. So, but no matter. By the way, this is not alcohol. Yeah, this is just a juice. It's a sparkling fruit juice. Sparkling fruit juice for the mothers. Ching ching. Yeah, and this one is non-alcoholic sparkling fruit juice with pomegranate flavor. You see me? That's what I'm drinking. It tastes like pomegranate juice. Tastes actually alright. Cups we are deal with. More drink.
Mama!
Cups.
Cheers.
Do the cheers with Fat Daddy. Yeah.
Chocolate. Daddy, because I'm not gonna drink that orange juice sour because I'm not gonna drink it.
Oh.
You don't like it? Huh?
Nope.
You like this? Mommy, I give the sparkling.
Danny, I thought you bought it for me. Now you want to eat it.
Buy chocolate and once yesterday, mommy chocolate,
Yeah.
I don't want it.
It's a tactic. Tactics. Danny tactics.
Cut it. Boom.
But you said it's for me.
Kinder.
Now you want to eat it.
Bueno. And you say buy it for
Ocha.
mommy. You say buy it for mommy. What you
Yo.
want?
Stop biting.
See, stop.
Guys, look what Daniel gave me. One little piece. Thank you, but still, you remembered, mommy. Thank you. Thank you. I even see that he licked it before, then he stopped and decided to
Good job,
put it
Nana.
down and give mommy. Because it was first he bought it for me. Yeah. Oh, that's so. It looked like him did a put already in his mouth, but I decided, yo, something alright. I took it out. Ta-da! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Errol Stevens! Happy birthday!
Morning.
It's time to give Errol his present. But I ordered two, only one came sadly, but the door will stretch. Danny, good morning. Скажи папе с днем рождения сегодня, ладно? Tell Daddy happy birthday. Java, here's my present. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Oh.
It's
Soggy, nice.
okay. 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 Guys, yeah, if you see something on my background, no watch no face. I have to do the laundry, so I just stop for record quick. Yeah, so we did think with Errol that his birthday would fall this year upon Sunday, so we already made little plans to go celebrate his birthday in Kingston. But then it came down that we did a mistake and Errol's birthday actually fell on Monday. So Monday kids have school and we didn't want them to miss school, and also school day we didn't want to go after school on the toll, go to Kingston, because the toll would the toll would take like 30-40 minutes, then Kingston traffic, then after we would leave again, go home, and next 30-40 minutes on toll, right? So we just looked at it and said, no, we gotta find something in our areas that can take us 5-10 minutes, you know, because we're gonna be well tired already. It will be the end of the day, in the evening more likely. So found a nice spot. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I will enjoy it too, because I've never been there before, and that will be our first time in that place. People said good, people said up top. Guys, I can't believe pan good day when we about to celebrate and go out. Look on my face, I did a mask and my face looks, I don't know if on camera you guys can see, look like a mask. I feel like I burned my skin. Oh my god, what I'm going to do? I don't know if... Let me show you with the light. Can you see how I burn it? Oh my god, I burn it like... I'm red. Yo, good thing we go in the evening. So people now really are gonna see it so easy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Oh my god, I'm red. So guys, what did I use? It burned me. Yo. Almost expired. Oh my god. I'm gonna do. So guys, I decided to change the dress because I feel this dress will suit the environment better and it's more romantic and it just so closed. It doesn't show too much, but still it shows curves, okay, but it's just classy and romantic. Yes, romantic. So I feel like I'll rock it today. I feel like that is the right date for this dress. Yep. So said I can't really show you. It's pretty long. Yeah man, it's long. It's long. So yes, I'm ready. Hey guys, and here's Errol. Birthday boy. Birthday. What do you feel? How do you feel about turning 36? You feel alright?
Normal.
Okay. So see there everybody a roll out. Leah, say привет. Всем привет. Привет. You guys. And of course me. Alright. Leo, what's up? Leo saw chicken. Leo saw chicken and said, let's take it home and make something. Leo want to cut up chicken and eat it. Right. People chicken. No, you can't take people chicken. Yeah. Nice. So guys, see there the place? Looks nice and cozy.
Look at that.
Yeah. So we can decide where to sit, inside or outside. I feel like here is much more cozy, but we're gonna sit alone and lonely. Well, I don't know. Feel outside. Oh, this is so nice. The lady gave us mosquito spray, and she also light up mosquito candle. Nice. And take care, guests. You're not gonna be nyammed alive. Yeah, and here smells so good. I love how here smells. Alright guys, we got some appetizers here. I'm saying it's a crab back. Yeah, I see the back of the crab. Wait, meat, nice. Oh, why here looks so bun up? Crab back. Crab back, why you look so bun up? Here, we're gonna taste it. And the mango smoothie looks nice. Here is such a nice spot to take pictures. I'm telling you, we just now took like million pictures and you guys gonna see them on Instagram, and it's just so nice here. Yeah, definitely. Just for come and take pictures. This is a nice place. See the kids, they're playing. Kids are on the swing, so they don't really care about us, so we can spend a little time. Errol Wagwan, tell me something, no?
Happy birthday today.
Happy birthday, yeah.
I made it again.
Errol got bun up. Wait, it's not bun up inside. It just a little bit outside roasty.
So you couldn't give me that money. Couldn't you give me that?
Yo, stop it. It's inside, alright. What do you?
Body.
Cheers.
It is good enough?
But you like inner taste bun up? See, just the something them a burn outside here.
Yes, we do.
So they put some crackers here on the side. What else? It's like tomato. Alright, I'm gonna mix it.
Thing shot you. Thing shot.
Tastes good.
I'm telling you, tastes really good. I know them seasonal crab is about. Guys, if you want to come try this crab, what name again? Crab back. Yeah, the crab back. You see me? See there? Now watch your bone up. I just shell. Guys, I'm not like. I feel like we're not going to eat nothing else but this crab back. Like nobody order the food. Crab back.
Oxtail pasta.
Like it's an oxtail
This
pasta.
can't fool me.
Can't fool her, but the crab back here, eat out. Tell
Just
her.
appetizer for warm your appetite, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm not telling her the price of nobody paying. Please, no. You know, kill it, you know?
Yo, we just paid $20 for this crab back. That's a little crab back we got.
$20 to a crab back. That's expensive, yeah?
Yeah, but okay.
Happy birthday for Era, so and it's
Popping champagne.
yeah, yeah, man. So I get a treat me for my birthday.
Today, you know what? No fees.
Yeah, that's a take.
Yeah, today, money spender.
It's a chop.
Isn't it? We're chopping today.
Alright, chop.
No watch no fees.
Chopper.
Boy, food look enough though. Flies took enough. Yeah. And I got oxtail pasta. Erla Collard, the chef lady, she cooks bad. Yes man, food tasty. Here man, Erla ask the lady how to cook, how she cook escabeche.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, Reed. One time for the birthday boy. Two times for the birthday boy. Three times for the birthday boy. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Thank you. Mad birthday. Happy birthday, Errol.
Make a wish now. 1, 2, 3, blow.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Hey, birthday vibes. That was a surprise, guys. That wasn't planned at all.
We nearly jumped in. I was ready to run. Yo, I was ready for run. Yes. You like the cake, Leo, Danny?
Yes.
Yummy.
Just eating all the cake.
Yes.
I just got a chicken tail.
Not a chicken tail. It's just a feather.
You want me to cut you some cake? You want to eat some cake? We're going to eat the food from the fish and leave it in the can find space.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. We are so satisfied with the size of the portions. I'm so full. I had to even take away. Yeah, I'm taking away. Like, yeah. But Errol, he forced him food. Errol forced his fish. Why you force? Errol force him fish.
No,
Errol say him not take away nothing.
Me alone.
I said take away, I'm not shy. Yeah. So this is Errol cheesecake birthday. Yo.
Birthday to you. Cheesecake.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
I can't manage cheesecake. My too full of food. Belly full.
I'm just gonna bite the names.
My belly is so full.
And I'm gonna bite the names.
So.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh man.
I like it.
I like it too.
Oh, gee. What about
What about?
this?
What about?
You.
It's been a lovely day. What about?
Alright guys, so that's the end of the vlog. Errol, how are you
just
doing?
looking at my
Errol
lovely
is
pictures.
reading congratulates. Happy
Congratulations.
birthdays.
Yeah, all over the gram. This was
Yes.
Life for the
Yeah,
season.
whole heap of people wished you happy birthday on my page too. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Chaba,
Appreciate the
say
love.
thanks.
Wait, I'm just gonna.
Yeah.
Birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday, Bum Bum. Happy birthday, Bum Bum.
What a fat check bill.
Ooh.
Errol, you got tamarind.
How much that?
17,000.
Oh, 17,000.
Oh, a fish and a 5,000.
Huh? Happy birthday.
Yeah, a very happy birthday. Oxtail 4,000. That's why it enough. That's why it enough. It have to be enough. Why? Check bill fat. Woo! Watch our Errol reaction when him opened the receipt. Now I know why it's not really full. Watch our Leo dance.
No.
What's it?
The strawberry duck, everything. So the strawberry duck is expensive.
Yeah, how much was strawberry daiquiri?
790.
2,000. I must let me see.
Mama, give me
Yeah,
toy.
1,300
Give me
each.
toy.
Watch
Now we need to ask for it, so you know,
Give
bye.
me toy.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Bye.
So, okay, this thing is lit.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.